Steve was a Warrington here from your next car to Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around the stunning 2016 Nissan Note. So for a start, really good year, looking really sharp in a pearl blue there. So you've got fantastic fuel economy with these Nissan Notes. You're only 4.7 litres per 100 k's because it's got the idle stop technology. And look at that, you get a wee bit over 1160 back from the government for driving a clean car. So it's a 4-star safety rating as well. It's a really good thing. So with this Note, we've just put new tyres all the way around. It's just had a full service and just went straight through compliance. It's a really good boot space there in the back. 3-point seat belts all the way across. You've got your ISOFIX points there for your car seats there too. So let's have a wee look and see what's going on inside here as well. So you've got really good wee safety features with this car. So you got, this is collision assist, you got lane departure assist, that's your stability control. So you can turn your idle stop on and off if you want. So how idle stop works is, say if you're at the lights and brake and your wheels are straight, the car will turn off, and when you accelerate again it just kicks into gear. So yeah, you've got beautiful interior all the way around. Will come with 6-month warranty. No on-road costs, what's also a good thing, and service with a smile. And we'll just pop this on so we can see it going there. So look at that, only 81,805, and look at this beautiful blue up the top. I love how they do these wee final touches with these cars, these efficient ones. So if you want a great looking Nissan Note for a very fair price, very easy to park, great height to get in and out of, this could be the car for you. And you can drive it away for $12,999 or around about $90 a week on no deposit finance. Come find your next car.